Sun Tzu said, "Know your enemy." Today, the enemy is hunger. Prepare 8 treasure rice. Behold the armory. Glutinous rice, red bean paste, candied fruits, ginkgo, rock sugar, lard. Ranch dressing is treason. Toss the soaked rice with melted lard. Each grain must shine like armor before battle action. Spread the rice in the steaming tray, seal the lid, and launch the steamer's fire like a siege engine. Dish. Invert the steaming bowl onto the akish, the jewel-like pattern of treasures, a fortress revealed. The dome. Slice the dome. The cross-section shows glistening rice and a molten core of red bean paste. Arrange winter melon, cherries, longan, raisins, and ginkgo in a mandala. Colors flare like battlefield flags. Drizzle rock sugar syrup, raise the spoon, and devour.